big brush is key to do acrylic nails. For beginners, a small size brush is a great choice. And dear, don't skip the nail prep, please. Choose adhesive paper forms to work with. Apply dehydrator and primer and wait for them to dry. Dip the brush into the liquid and tap off excess. Gently pick up the bead. Two, three, then wait for about 5 seconds. Place the bead in the middle area of the hole shape you want, avoiding the cuticle area. The bead's consistency should be just right, not too runny or too stiff. Repeat the process for 3 beads, shaping the nails. Confirm if they are cured by tapping on the nail surface. Now, let's shape them. Keep practicing, and you'll see your skills improve over time.